Is your air fryer really as healthy as it seems? It promises crispy, delicious food with just a fraction of the oil. We see advertisements showing golden brown chips and crunchy chicken, all supposedly guilt-free. The air fryer has become one of the most popular kitchen gadgets in recent years. Many of us bought one hoping to make our favorite treats healthier. But is it all too good to be true? Are we just tricking ourselves into thinking we are eating better? Let's look past the hype and find out the real story. Deep-fried foods are high in fat and calories, contributing to weight gain and heart problems. The air fryer claims to give you that same satisfying crunch without soaking your food in oil. But before we replace all our cooking methods, we need to ask, what does it really do to our food? This video will guide you through the real benefits and hidden risks of air fryers. The truth is more complex than just good or bad. It depends on how you use it. We'll break down the science in a simple way so you can make the best choices for your health. By the end, you'll have a clear, balanced view of this popular kitchen tool. Let's get to the bottom of it and learn how to use it wisely. To understand how an air fryer affects your health, we first need to know how it works. Even though it's called an air fryer, it doesn't actually fry food. It uses hot air, not oil. Think of it like a small, strong oven with a heating part and a powerful fan. This fan blows very hot air all around the food really fast, cooking it quickly and evenly. The fast air makes a crispy brown layer on the outside. That's because of something called the Maillard reaction. It makes food crunchy like deep frying, but with much less oil. When you deep fry, food soaks up a lot of oil, which adds fat and calories. An air fryer might only need a tiny bit of oil, or sometimes no oil at all. The hot air does most of the work, making air frying a healthier choice. You're basically roasting your food with high heat, not frying it. Its small size and strong fan make it cook faster and use less energy than a regular oven. It's a smart way to get the crispy feel of fried food, by baking it instead. That's why it's become a popular choice for cooking healthier meals. Now that we know how an air fryer works, let's talk about the good stuff. The best part is how much less fat you'll eat. Deep frying drowns food in oil, but air frying uses way less, up to 80% less. This means fewer calories. Fat has a lot of calories, so less oil means lighter meals. If you switch from deep-fried fries to air-fried ones, you can save hundreds of calories in just one serving. Over time, these small changes can really help you lose weight or keep it off. Using less oil is also good for your heart. It helps lower bad cholesterol and makes your heart healthier. Air fryers are also safer and easier to use than deep fryers. No hot oil splashing around or grease fires. They're also easier to clean, which makes you want to cook at home more often. When you cook at home more, you get to pick what goes into your food. Air fryers make healthy cooking simple and easy for everyone. That's why they're now a common appliance in so many kitchens. The air fryer's biggest selling point is that it can help you use less oil and eat fewer calories. Think about making fries. If you deep fry them, they soak up a lot of fat and calories. But if you air fry them, they're much lighter. A big serving of air-fried fries can have less than half the calories and fat of deep-fried ones. This is true for other foods too, like chicken wings, fish, and spring rolls, foods that usually soak up a lot of oil. Air frying lets you enjoy these yummy foods more often, without feeling bad about it. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to lose weight or eat healthier. And it's good for your mind too. You don't have to give up your favorite foods. Air fryers offer a middle ground. They let you make healthier versions of your comfort foods. This makes eating healthy easier to stick with and more fun. It's not about saying no to everything. It's about making smarter choices. Eating fewer calories and less fat is definitely a win for your waistline. You get the taste you love with fewer health problems. That's a big reason why air fryers are so popular. Another good thing about air frying is that it helps keep nutrients in your food. When you boil vegetables, vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins can wash out into the water, but air frying uses dry heat, so more of those good nutrients stay right in your food. Research shows that air frying and roasting keep more vitamins than boiling or using a pressure cooker. Plus, cooking things quickly also helps protect nutrients that can be damaged by too much heat. So, you get your meal faster, and it's better for you. Air frying can also help keep antioxidants, which are like little protectors for your body. Less time and less water means more healthy stuff on your plate. So, air-fried veggies aren't just yummy, they're packed with more good things for you. It's a win-win for your health and for saving time. The air fryer sounds perfect, but there are some hidden risks. One is acrylamide, a chemical that can form in starchy foods cooked at high temperatures. Air fryers use high heat, so they're not immune. There's also the health halo effect, thinking air-fried foods are always healthy, and eating more than you should. Processed foods, even if air-fried, aren't as good as whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. The type of oil matters. Some oils break down at high heat and release harmful compounds. Choose oils with a high smoke point for air frying. The quality of your air fryer matters too. Cheap models may have coatings that release harmful chemicals. Invest in a reputable brand with food-safe materials. Being aware of these risks helps you use your air fryer safely. Let's talk about acrylamide, a chemical that forms in starchy foods when you cook them at high temperatures. It's not just in air fryers. You'll find it in potato chips, toast, and even coffee. Some studies even show that air frying can actually make less acrylamide compared to deep frying. One study found that air-fried potatoes had up to 90% less acrylamide than deep-fried ones, but still, there's some risk. Burning or overcooking your food makes more acrylamide. Try to cook your food until it's golden yellow, not dark brown or burnt. You can soak potato slices in water before air frying to help reduce acrylamide. Also, don't put potatoes in the fridge, because that makes them have more sugar. Pay attention to how long and how hot you cook your food to keep acrylamide levels low. If you use it smart, the air fryer can actually help you eat less of this chemical. The air fryer can be a healthy kitchen tool if you use it smartly. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Roast vegetables, cook lean proteins, and skip the frozen junk. Be mindful of cooking temperature and time. High heat can create harmful compounds. For most foods, a moderate temperature is safer and still gives great results. Aim for golden brown, not burnt. Choose oils with a high smoke point like avocado or light olive oil. Use just a light spritz. Don't drench your food. Clean your air fryer regularly to prevent buildup and burnt residue. Most baskets are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. A clean appliance is a safer, healthier one. Don't rely on the air fryer for all your meals. Balance is key. Use it to make healthy eating more convenient, not as an excuse for more fried food. Try new recipes and experiment with fresh ingredients. With these tips, you'll get the most health benefits from your air fryer. Make it a tool for better eating, not just easier cooking. So, is the air fryer a health hero or a hidden villain? The truth is, it's a tool, not a magic wand. It can't turn unhealthy food into health food, but it can help you make better choices. Its main strength is giving you the crispy texture of fried food with less oil, fat, and calories. For fried food lovers, switching to an air fryer can mean real improvements in weight and heart health. It's fast, convenient, and helps keep more good stuff in your food than boiling. But don't ignore the risks. The idea that it's always healthy, the harmful chemicals, and low-quality machines. The air fryer is only as healthy as the food you put in it and how you use it. Use it to cook more vegetables and lean proteins, not just processed snacks. In conclusion, the air fryer is a valuable helper, not a savior. It can help you eat healthier, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. A healthy lifestyle is built on whole foods, being active, and eating mindfully. Use your air fryer wisely, and enjoy the delicious crispy results as part of a balanced diet.